DJI Action 2 Dual Screen Combo Review, Compact Innovation for Adventurers. The DJI Action 2 Dual Screen Combo redefines portability and versatility in action cameras. With its innovative magnetic design, this compact device allows users to effortlessly swap accessories, making it perfect for capturing life's adventures on the go. Whether you're a vlogger, outdoor enthusiast, or just someone who loves recording memories, the Action 2 delivers high-quality video in a user-friendly package. Design and usability. Weighing just 1.98 ounces and measuring 1.54 inches by 1.54 inches by 0.87 inches, the Action 2 is incredibly lightweight and portable. The dual OLED touchscreens make navigating settings and framing shots a breeze. Its magnetic attachments allow you to mount the camera on various surfaces or even wear it hands-free using the magnetic lanyard or headband. Performance highlights. The Action 2 captures stunning 4K/120 FPS video with rich detail and a 155 degrees ultra-wide field of view. Stabilization technology ensures smooth footage, even in action-packed scenarios. For underwater explorers, its waterproof design functions up to 10 meters and extends to 60 meters with the waterproof case. Additionally, the DJI Mimo app's AI editor lets you create share-ready videos with ease. Pros and cons. Pros. Compact and lightweight design. Dual OLED touchscreens for ease of use. Exceptional 4K/120 FPS video quality. Magnetic attachments for versatile mounting. Waterproof for aquatic adventures. Cons. Limited 4K/120 FPS recording time without a protective case. Additional cases are required for optimal recording in high temperatures. The DJI Action 2 Dual Screen Combo is a fantastic choice for those seeking a portable and versatile action camera. With its robust features and ease of use, it's well suited for adventure lovers and content creators. Explore its capabilities and elevate your footage today. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon, and comment below. Check out the description to find the product link.